Hi friends, it's Barry. Let's solve this maths puzzle together. Real numbers x, y, and z satisfy the inequalities 0 smaller than x smaller than 1, minus 1 smaller than y smaller than 0, and 1 smaller than z smaller than 2. Which of the following numbers is necessarily positive? So we're given three inequalities and we want to evaluate which of these five options is always positive. So that means if we can find an example for which any expression is negative, then that is not the answer. So let's try the first one. So we have a equals y plus x squared, okay? So we want to try and make this negative. So we know that we have 0 x1 and minus 1 y 0. So let's say y is minus 0.9. So minus 0.9 plus x squared. And let's say x is very close to 0. So 0.1. So 0.1 squared. Minus 0.9 plus 0.1 squared is minus 0.9 plus 0.01. Well, clearly that is smaller than 0. So A is not our answer. So we have eliminated A as an answer. Now let's take a look at option B. So option B concerns y, x, and z. Okay, so we have y plus x, z. So we want to try to make this negative. Now, immediately, I will also want to pick y to be minus 0.9. So minus 0.9 plus xz. And again, I want to pick x to be as close to 0 as possible. So let's say is 0.1. And then finally, the inequality set tells us that z is between 1 and 2. So let's say z is very close to 1, say 1.1, okay? So now we have minus 0.9 and then 0.1 multiplied by 1.1, that is 0.11. Once again, we clearly see now that option B can be negative. So B is not our answer. And then we can think about y plus y squared. So we are only concerned with y in our case. So c equals y plus y squared. And let's say we pick y to be minus 0.9. So both y's are minus 0.9. And so we have minus 0.9 plus 0.9 multiplied by 0.9 is 0.81. Now, once again, this would give us minus 0.09. So this is also negative, okay? And now we look at y plus 2y squared. So d equals y plus 2y squared. And let's say we pick y to be minus 0.4. So minus 0.4 plus 2 minus 0.4 squared. So we have minus 0.4 plus 2 multiplied by 0.16. So minus 0.4 and then plus this I believe to be 0.32, resulting in an answer minus 0.08. Once again, this is less than 0. So just by the method of elimination, we can already say that the answer is E, but we want to be extra careful and make sure this is always positive. So let's think about y plus z now. Okay, so option E, let's say I write it here. Option E, y plus z, and we know y is between -1 and 0, and z is between 1 and 2. Well, let's try and make it as close to negative as possible. Let's say y is very close to -1, say -0.999, and let's say z is as small as possible. Let's say 1.0001. Now clearly we can turn y as close to -1 as possible, but it can never quite reach -1 because the inequality is a strict inequality. Okay, same for y, same for z here. So what that means is y plus z will always be positive. And so the answer is E. That's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.